In today's digital world, PDFs are everywhere, from contracts and invoices to reports and personal files. While PDFs are convenient, they can also be a target for unauthorized access or accidental sharing. In this video, we'll cover essential PDF security tips to help you protect your documents, maintain privacy, and prevent sensitive information from falling into the wrong hands. One of the first steps in securing a PDF is using a strong password. Most PDF editors allow you to set a password before sharing a document. Make sure your password is unique, long, and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid simple passwords like 1234 or password. A strong password ensures that only authorized users can open and view your PDF, keeping your sensitive information safe. Another important tip is to restrict editing and copying. Many PDF editors let you prevent others from modifying, printing, or copying content from your document. This is especially useful for contracts, reports, or confidential files. By restricting access to certain actions, you maintain control over your PDF while still sharing it with people who need to see it. You should also consider encrypting your PDFs. Encryption adds an extra layer of protection, making it extremely difficult for hackers or unauthorized users to access your file. Advanced PDF editors offer strong encryption options that can protect sensitive business data, personal records, or any confidential information you want to keep private. If you frequently share PDFs online or via email, avoid embedding sensitive information unnecessarily. For example, personal IDs, financial details, or confidential notes should only be included when absolutely required. If possible, create a separate secure version of the PDF with only the necessary information to reduce the risk of exposure. Another useful tip is digital signatures and verification. Digital signatures allow you to sign a PDF securely and verify its authenticity. This is particularly important for contracts, agreements, and official documents. It ensures that your recipients know the document is legitimate and has not been tampered with, adding credibility and trust. Always keep backup copies of your important PDFs. Even with strong passwords and encryption, files can become corrupted, lost, or accidentally deleted. Storing copies in a secure cloud service or encrypted drive ensures that you can recover your documents if anything goes wrong. Finally, be mindful of who you share your PDFs with. Only send sensitive files to trusted contacts, and consider using secure sharing options provided by PDF platforms or cloud services. Some services allow you to set expiration dates or revoke access after a certain period, giving you more control over your documents even after sending them. In summary, securing your PDFs is all about using strong passwords, restricting editing, encrypting files, sharing wisely, and backing up important documents. By following these simple tips, you can protect your sensitive information and maintain peace of mind in today's digital world. If you found these PDF security tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss more practical guides and tutorials to keep your digital life safe.